We designed LightCam to be the most versatile, affordable camera for your house. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you'll actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out, so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can.
What is up, Otari fam? Kenny here, and we got 20 minutes of strength and hit coming your way.
A yoga studio and fitness experience that you can take everywhere.
Exhale, open the arms out, coming into a warrior two.
An adjustable magnetic camera tracks your movements. Then the AI takes it from there.
Otari, how am I doing?
Round down into your front big toe, pinky toe, and heel.
Otari helps correct your form in real time
And spiral your chest up a little more towards the sky.
and personalizes your workout experience by understanding how your body is moving.
Let's push this pace a bit more. Come on.
This is Vitex, your next favorite everyday shoe. One shoe, 12 features for all seasons. Waterproof, breathable nanotech knit, heat resistant, cold resistant, antibacterial, stain proof, ultra comfortable cloud insole, lightweight, 360 3D knit, sandproof, windproof, vegan friendly.
Evolve your image making and use the world's first all-in-one 8K 360-degree VR camera with real-time in-camera stitching. Pilot Era is easy, fast, and efficient. As an all-in-one standalone device, you can use the camera by itself without the need for a computer or mobile phone. The 3.1-inch touchscreen creates a friendly user experience. 8K in-camera stitching saves you hours of post-processing work and headaches. Standalone 4K live streaming eliminates the need for complex servers and settings with a single click. Razor-sharp 8K 360 photos and videos transport your audience into your world. Pilot Era is small but powerful. We've managed to fit a powerful processor.
In the 21st century, we have many gadgets for our leisure, work, and productivity. Sometimes it is far too many. Meet Soleman.
Welcome to all the ways you can find with Tile. When your usual things aren't where they usually are, you can just tap Find in the Tile app to make your tile ring. So you can get on with your day. Or you can just ask,
Hey Google, ask Tile to ring the remote.
Sure, locating the remote.
oh, and by the way, did you know you can find your phone with your tile? Just double press the button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. When you're away from home and you leave something behind, see the last time and place it was with you, and get directions back to it, saving the day. It's comforting to know that the world's largest lost and found community has your back. Because we all know how easy it is to lose track of things when you're out and about and having fun. Like in that moment when you realize something important is missing, you can just activate the Tile community. And every phone running the Tile app will anonymously help locate your things. You'll get a notification letting you know where your Tile is.